couple of visitors to the pond this morning. Turkeys in the background. This New York place is a wildlife paradise. All kinds of birds singing. And there they go. So this is my Redneck pond spillway repair. The metal pipe that came up was rusted out, and it was about 1.5 feet from the top that the water level was at. So I don't have time with everything going on, the new house, my job, moving, getting the old house ready for sale and so on. So I came up with this idea. This piece of drainage pipe was actually here on the property. So I took this, which is relatively smooth on the inside, and I dug down into the base of the pond to level this out. And then I used 4 bags of Quikrete and poured it between this drainage pipe and the spillway pipe. First, I sealed up the holes with print near a whole roll of duct tape, and that was, of course, just to keep the cement from falling into the holes and filling up the spillway pipe. So I did this yesterday. It was so nice here yesterday. It was like 75 and sunny almost all day. It was pretty cool. But I don't know if you can see that. I filled it with the cement almost right up to the rim of the original spillway. And so far it's working. It was the fast set, and by the end of the day yesterday it was already set up for the most part, and there wasn't a drop of water running through it. So I'm hoping that the pond will fill back up, and it's probably 8 inches above the original height. But if that turns out to be too much, I'll just get in there with a Sawzall and trim off the top of this drainage pipe to match the original height.